2000, 2002, not sure. Anyway, here's the thing. This overheated, this melted. The spa was always saying it overheated, so I replaced these. These are the, oh my gosh, the thermostats, right, or the leads that then go up. And it always is saying it's hotter than it is. I couldn't figure out why, but then check this out. That, I don't want to touch it, looks messed up. One of these is not like the other. So then I got this Fluke, which I've had, and I start shooting stuff. So, okay, that's that little thing that totally melted before. That's that. These other pumps are not running. But check this thing out. I'm shooting, I guess you can see where I'm pointing. But as I get over here, that one's really hot. My guess is that's not right. I don't think that should be that hot. So something funky is going on here. And I think we're back to normal, more normal. But yeah, that one looks messed up. I don't know why, but as a symptom, I think I could see why that's overheating, because the temperature sensors are right there, and if we get in here really close, I don't want to get shocked or anything. I see a lot of corrosion, and it kind of looks like the leads are messed up. So the rest of this looks like it's in okay shape. I guess I should shoot that as well, because those hot cables have got to lead to something. And I'm kind of afraid I'm gonna bump something and get zapped, so I don't want to get in here too close. Yeah, it seems a little hot. That's that guy, first one with the yellow nubbin there. There's another one. So I can just get out of the way, you can see. Those maybe can get hot. Of course, those ones sure are not. They look about the same, don't they? So I'd say, you know, oh god dang it. Yeah, again, that one looks like it's coming off of that one, which makes sense, because I can get under here and see it pretty much go right in there. Yeah. So, I think that's the problem.